Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Kia Forte EX. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Kia has less than 186,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 26 miles per gallon in the city, and 36 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows, and window defogger. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.